Ni afueni kwa wakulima wadogo Makueni baada ya serikali ya kaunti hiyo kwa ushirikiano na shirika la Umoja wa Mataifa la chakula duniani WFP kuzindua mikakati ya kutafutia wakulima hao masoko ya bidhaa zao. Kulingana na mkurugenzi wa WFP nchini Lauren Landis na waziri wa kilimo Makueni Joyce Mutua, baadhi ya masoko yanayolengwa ni taasisi za umma, huku mpango huu ukipaniwa kuwainua wakulima hao.
Yes, yes. I have to find honey. Yes. You have honey. What else do you have?
The farmers will now be able to directly access the markets where these traders sell their produce. So they will now be able to access the markets with the minimum compliance requirements that are required. And it is those minimum compliance requirements that will now be training the farmers on what is it that you need to have. A PIN, they need to have this, a registered group. What is the minimum requirement that you need to have? And therefore, so that they can be able to access those markets and get better prices than they have been getting before.
So this strategy that will help to for smallholders to have access to institutional markets has been tried in Baringo with a tremendous amount of success. This 30% of the market for institutions being allowed to smallholder farmers. But the benefit for Makueni is they can learn from all the lessons learned of Baringo trying it first, figure out what works, how to do that training appropriately, and now we'll apply it to Makueni. We'll then take the lessons learned from Makueni, being second, and we'll apply it to other counties in the arid and semi-arid regions.
Utekelezaji wa miradi ya serikali ya ajenda ya mabadiliko ya kiuchumi, yani bottom up